Hey everyone, and welcome back to Thinker's Factory. Today we're going to be talking about how to choose the best nutrition, more specifically, antioxidant and their effects. Your body's cells face threats every day, such as viruses, infections attack, and free radicals also can damage your cells and DNA. Some cells can repair the damage, while others cannot. This mechanism highly depends on the type of cell as well as free radicals amount in the cell. A free radical can be defined as any molecular species capable of independent existence that contains an unpaired electron in an atomic orbital. This sounds complicated, but put it simply, they are highly reactive molecules that can attack your DNA, thus contributing to many diseases like cancer and aging process. Antioxidants are chemicals that help stop or limit damage caused by free radicals. Your body uses antioxidants to balance free radicals. This keeps them from causing damage to other cells. Antioxidants can protect and reverse some of the damage. What are antioxidants? The body's trillion or so cells face formidable threats from lack of food to infection with a virus. Another constant threat comes from chemicals called free radicals. In very high levels, they are capable of damaging cells and genetic material. The body generates free radicals as the inevitable byproducts of turning food into energy. Free radicals are also formed after exercising or exposure to cigarette smoke, air pollution, and sunlight. Free radicals come in many shapes, sizes, and chemical configurations. What they all share is a voracious appetite for electrons, stealing them from any nearby substances that will yield them. This electron theft can radically alter the loser's structure or function. Free radical damage can change the instructions coded in a strand of DNA. It can make a circulating low density lipoprotein molecule more likely to get trapped in an artery wall. Or it can alter a cell's membrane, changing the flow of what enters the cell and what leaves it. An excessive chronic amount of free radicals in the body causes a condition called oxidative stress, which may damage cells and lead to chronic diseases. We aren't defenseless against free radicals. The body, long used to this relentless attack, makes many molecules that quench free radicals as surely as water douses fire. We also attract free radical fighters from food. These defenders are labeled antioxidants. They work by generously giving electrons to free radicals without turning into electron scavenging substances themselves. There are hundreds, probably thousands, of different substances that can act as antioxidants. The most familiar ones are vitamin C, vitamin E, beta carotene, and other related carotenoids, along with the minerals selenium and manganese. They are joined by glutathione, coenzyme Q10, lipoic acid, flavonoids, phenols, polyphenols, phytoestrogens, and many more. Most are naturally occurring, and their presence in food is likely to prevent oxidation or to serve as a natural defense against the local environment. But using the term antioxidant to refer to substances is misleading. It is really a chemical property, namely the ability to act as an electron donor. Some substances that act as antioxidants in one situation may be prooxidants, electron grabbers in a different situation. Another big misconception is that antioxidants are interchangeable. They aren't. Each one has unique chemical behaviors and biological properties. They almost certainly evolved as parts of elaborate networks, with each different substance playing slightly different roles. Health benefits of antioxidants. What's the buzz? Antioxidants came to public attention in the 1990s when scientists began to understand that free radical damage was involved in the early stages of artery clogging atherosclerosis. It was also linked to cancer, vision loss, and a host of other chronic conditions. Some studies show that people with low intakes of antioxidant rich fruits and vegetables were at greater risk for developing these chronic conditions that were people who ate plenty of those foods. Clinical trials began testing the impact of single substances in supplement form, especially beta carotene and vitamin E, as weapons against chronic diseases. Even before the results of these trials were in, the media and the supplement and food industries began to hype the benefits of antioxidants. Frozen berries, green tea, and other foods labeled as being rich in antioxidants began popping up in stores. The research results were mixed, but most did not find the hoped for benefits. Most research teams reported that vitamin E and other antioxidant supplements didn't protect against heart disease or cancer. One study even showed that taking beta carotene supplements actually increased the chances of developing lung cancer in smokers. On the other hand, some trials reported benefits, for example, after 18 years of follow up. The Physicians' Health Study found that taking beta carotene supplements was associated with a modest reduction in the rate of cognitive decline. These mostly disappointing results haven't stopped food companies and supplement sellers from banking on antioxidants. Antioxidants are still added to breakfast cereals, sports bars, energy drinks, and other processed foods, and they are promoted as additives that could prevent heart disease, cancer, cataracts, memory loss, and other conditions. Often the claims have stretched and distorted the data. While it is true that the package of antioxidants, minerals, fiber, and other substances found naturally in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains helps prevent a variety of chronic diseases, it is unlikely that high doses of antioxidant supplements can accomplish the same feat. Regulation of antioxidant supplements and disease prevention. Little supportive evidence. Randomized placebo controlled trials, which can provide the strongest evidence, offer little support that taking vitamin C, vitamin E, beta carotene, or other single antioxidants provide substantial protection against heart disease, cancer, or other chronic conditions. Antioxidants in food. One possible reason why many studies on antioxidant supplements do not show a health benefit is because antioxidants tend to work best in combination with other nutrients, plant chemicals, and even other antioxidants. For example, a cup of fresh strawberries contains about 80 milligrams of vitamin C, a nutrient classified as having high antioxidant activity. But a supplement containing 500 milligrams of vitamin C does not contain the plant chemicals naturally found in strawberries like proanthocyanins and flavonoids, which also possess antioxidant activity and may team up with vitamin C to fight disease. Polyphenols also have many other chemical properties besides their ability to serve as antioxidants. There is a question if a nutrient with antioxidant activity can cause the opposite effect with pro-oxidant activity if it is taken too much. This is why using an antioxidant supplement with a single isolated substance may not be an effective strategy for everyone. Differences in the amount and type of antioxidants in foods versus those in supplements might also influence their effects. For example, there are 8 chemical forms of vitamin E present in foods. However, vitamin E supplements typically only include one form, alpha tocopherol. Epidemiological prospective studies show that higher intakes of antioxidant rich fruits, vegetables, and legumes are associated with a lower risk of chronic oxidative stress related disease like cardiovascular diseases, cancer, and death from all old causes. A plant based diet is believed to protect against chronic oxidative stress related diseases. It is not clear if this protective effect is due to the antioxidants, other substances in the foods, or a combination of both. The following are nutrients with antioxidant activity and the foods in which they are found: vitamin C, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cantaloupe, and sunflower seeds; carotenoids, including beta carotene and lycopene; apricots, asparagus, beets, broccoli; selenium, Brazil nuts, fish, shellfish, beef, poultry; zinc, beef, poultry, oysters; phenolic compounds, quercetin, catechins, resveratrol, comaric acid, anthocyanins. Bottom line on antioxidants and disease prevention: excessive free radicals contribute to chronic diseases including cancer, heart disease, cognitive decline, and vision loss. This doesn't automatically mean that substances with antioxidant properties will fix the problem, especially if they're taken out of their natural context. The studies so far are inconclusive but generally don't provide strong evidence that antioxidant supplements have a substantial impact on disease. Keep in mind that most of the trials conducted have had fundamental limitations. At the same time, abundant evidence suggests that eating whole in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, all rich in networks of naturally occurring antioxidants and their helper molecules, provides protection against many scourges of aging. This is it for today, folks. If you enjoyed the video, then leave a like, and if you are new, then do not forget to subscribe. See you till the next video, and thank you for watching.